Hi
Today
everybody.
we are reviewing this ham.
Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, we are reviewing this pork ham.
And I am dressed up into Elena. I am dressed up into Chase.
Okay, so Chase
Whoa,
and,
whoa,
Chase and Elena are reviewing this pork. Clearly we have a
whoa,
dog
whoa,
because
whoa,
the smell
whoa,
is amazing. We don't know
whoa,
yet.
whoa.
But we have a box of ham. We're gonna open it up. It says Noel, so we got it for Christmas, holiday season. I think it's perfect time to get it started. Okay, they're opening it already. Nutritional value table is in the back. Nutritional facts, I'm gonna show it to you.
Yeah.
So it is nicely packed.
Show.
Okay guys, before we open it up, it is about 14-15 pounds. Let me see, let me flip it on the inside. I actually got a knife. Chase gets right to the meat. And this is one gigantic piece of meat. Look at this, wow. And again, nutritional facts are right here. I don't believe every single slice of meat we're gonna have that. But oh, I think it's leaking a little, or maybe not.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so it comes with knife.
I think this is the big knife.
It comes with this gigantic knife for slicing knife. It's got, what else is in here?
And when
It's like instructions, I believe.
Mommy, I have to say something.
What do I have to say?
And a giant box of sunfish.
Oh, thank you. I already forgot about it.
Okay, I'll have to say very important.
Okay, I'm glad I brought this knife so we can.
Guys, and listen, guys. And if you haven't kids, know them.
So what is this? It seems like we're gonna have to do some assembly here. There are some screws.
Oh, I know
So you need some tools. Chase, you're gonna eat that right away without like screwing it, right?
Look.
I believe this is the fancy stand, so you can hang the ham on
It's
it.
very fancy.
It is
yes.
very fancy, and we may have to like fast forward just to. Okay, so what we have here? There are some screws. Okay, but meat. Chase, are you gonna eat this?
I'm going to take this.
It is nicely
sticker
packed. It is nicely packed. It even has some slight
Max,
grease,
come
but
on,
it's not
help me.
leaking. It is really tight. Okay, let me see how that looks.
Whoa, and some red.
There is some red.
Maybe it's with oranges.
Wow, it is about 15 pounds. Now we can do squats with this. Right, Chase?
Did you want that to?
No, it came with it, Max.
So there's
Chase,
no
I'm
official
sorry.
screwdriver, but there's like a little tool, right?
Allen tool.
Ew, and I don't know what
Okay.
those are.
Probably you may not
Something that
need
you're
additional
going to
tools.
You don't need it.
Oh yeah, that has a
No,
little bit red.
the way it
Like
looks like.
red. Oh yeah, I know for what this. Guys, and do you know what is the red? The red is
Snow.
the red.
Christmas gift.
No, the red is like the blood.
No.
Cause someone killed it. That's okay.
Yeah.
It did come with instructions. So when you read it, you know exactly what to do.
Me and Max are the best kids ever.
Of course you are.
Of course.
And you should have a kid to help you, but your kid should never. Oh, look, I got like a bumpy thing here to.
It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to assemble it.
Yes. Even a big knife.
Huge. Max, do you want to slice this ham?
All right. Let's put it here, guys.
All right.
Boom.
I'll help you. All right, so what are we doing here? We have to hang it and sort of put this piece, the screw, like rests right here, right? I don't know if we're supposed to insert the screw.
It is, yes.
How about it so? sword.
Okay. And we have a samurai sword for Chase.
Excuse me.
I don't think it's a good idea to give it to a child, but likely this one is still in the protective sleeve. But when I push it in, this is gonna break the packaging, the wrapper. Are we ready to do that?
Yes.
Right? Okay, so last minute check. It looks like it sits here, nice and firm. I'm wondering if I can push it even more.
Mommy,
Okay,
can
so
I try to push it?
So the bone rests. It's pretty solid actually.
Mom, can
I
I
like
try
it.
to?
Now you can screw it in to secure from the top. Okay, and now I'm gonna make it sit. I'm gonna push down. Yep. Excellent.
Whoa.
Now you can guys help me screw it.
Can I try to screw it by myself?
Of course, you can screw it a couple times and then let Max do that. As you can see, it's a perfect project for the whole family. Everybody's involved. I don't know if anybody wants to eat it. And we did not heat it up.
I am booting.
I think
And
that's how we're supposed to do that.
poking away.
Unless you can open it up, slice it, and then maybe you can heat up the slices. But one way or another, it is a very fancy setup.
in a
Okay.
dig hole.
Okay, I think this is it. This is pretty good.
I dig
Right?
out a giant
It holds it nice.
hole.
Okay, this seems like it's nice and solid. It's secure. All right, are you guys ready to slice?
Yeah.
I mean, not you guys. You cannot slice it.
Ta-da!
What are you gonna do with that? It's a weapon for you.
All right.
Actually, all right, Chase. Let's get to the chase, right?
Can I try?
You can try.
Yeah.
Well, you can impress your guests and also you can impress your kids.
I wanna try.
I don't think they have toy like that.
Okay. All
No,
right.
I wanna try.
No, we don't do it, guys. Hold on.
So pink. Give and slice for me. Why are you slicing this like that?
Mmm. Excellent.
Ah.
Whoa.
Wow, let me see how it looks.
Blood. Hey, that's blood.
Do you want? I'll take the first bite.
I'm serving folks.
Well,
Serving
the
folks.
skin is hard.
So I'm gonna do something gross. I'm gonna show it to
Very
you.
gross.
Hopefully it's well done. Or done. Not well done. I would go downward. Is the knife sharp? If you have sharp knife, I don't think
I think it's very sharp.
because it's sliced. It's either... Okay. Wow. Clearly I have no clue what I'm doing. We're ready to eat. Chase.
Very good. Chase, come here.
Pretty good.
Still dunking in it. Then going to
Okay. Max is slicing it. I think he's shredding it. It tastes pretty good.
shredding it.
Yeah. Tastes very good. Looks very good.
Mango.
Hey, guys.
I think it's a very interesting taste. Definitely, it's different. It's done. It's well done. If you want to impress someone, it's the way to go because it looks fancy. If you want to impress children, you're definitely gonna do that. Nice.
Nice. Can I try? Yeah. Thank you for watching this and a happy holiday. Goodbye. I am going to take the turkey. Aha.
Max, it's not turkey. It's pork. It's ham.